Dividing and conquering leads to collective destruction. There is no good that comes from dividing and conquering, and so I'm choosing not to participate in that. I am personally more interested in connecting and co-creating, doing something that is collective creation, something that is positive and good and really amazing to help move people forward in discovering what their personal truth is. Not the truth of what the media says, telling me what I should think, not the truth of what my parents have indoctrinated me into, or a religious belief or anything like that, but really just taking a moment to get quiet and to become curious with your own heart and assess what is true for you, true and right. Because when we take a moment to do that, inside of that, you will discover true freedom. If you're on board with this, I'm not going to ask you to like or subscribe. Go into your own heart and do what's right for you.